Hey, what's up? I'm making breakfast. DEEBO's. What's up, beautiful people? I'm buttering this toast right now. Getting it ready.
Subscribe now, leave a comment, and don't forget the thumbs up.
Like I said, getting this toast ready. I'm about to crack these eggs up.
Crack your eggs and begin to scramble them.
Getting ready for the scramble. Yep. I love my scrambled eggs.
Add salt and pepper and set your mix.
Add a little salt and pepper.
Start to prepare your bacon.
Get this bacon on this pan so I can put it in the oven at 400 degrees.
Oven preheated, 400 degrees.
For about 10 minutes. I'm gonna take the egg mix, put it to the side. Get this burner, put this skillet on this burner, get it heated up, drop this butter in here. Let it heat up. As soon as it heats up, I'm gonna turn that pan off.
Butter melts.
And just let that butter
Turn
melt.
off the burner.
And then I'm gonna add that egg mixture.
Add egg to skillet. Let it sit.
Adding that egg mixture. And I'm gonna just let it sit there. Probably put it on the side. Take this bacon out the oven.
5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes.
Turn over.
Turn it over. Slide that back in the oven. Start messing with these eggs.
Return your bacon back to the oven.
Let them sit there for a few more minutes. As soon as this bacon is ready, I'm gonna start on these eggs. Cause I got it all timed out. Toast.
After
Last.
5 minutes, remove
Get
your
this bacon on here, get that grease off there, knock that grease out of there. And now start on these eggs.
Let's start cooking your eggs.
Got that fire going now. Get that scramble up. I got a spoon because I don't want to damage the eggs. Like I can really damage eggs. They are already beat up. So as soon as this egg cooks on the side, I'm gonna grab them from the side and start putting it into the center. Pulling it to the center. Because that's the way I like my eggs.
Remove eggs from the burner.
Trying to make soft scrambled egg, turn that fire off because it's got a little high. And start scrambling. Just a little spice scramble. Today I'm doing like a medium scramble. I'm not gonna do a light scramble, do about a medium scramble. I don't know if there's such a thing, but that's the way I like them. I don't like them soft all the time. Never like them hard though. Don't give me no hard eggs at all. I will have a fit and won't eat them. Some say I'm spoiled, but that's the way it is. Anyway, this is my all-American breakfast special with medium scrambled eggs. That looks so good.
DEEBO.